Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to do a factory reset on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So first, go into search and type in reset this PC. Now click reset. Here you can keep your files or remove everything, so I'll remove because this is the true factory reset. Then how you want to reinstall your Windows cloud download or local reinstall. I choose the local one. Next. Now it's getting ready. And reset. Now it's preparing and the device will automatically restart, so it will take a moment and I'll be back with you when it's ready. So now after it is done, we have the normal setup. You can find the video of this setup on our channel, but I'll guide you through it. So, is this your country or region? Select your country. Then select the keyboard layout. I need to find mine. Yes. Do you want to add a second keyboard layout? You can add it, but I'll skip. Then connect to a network. Remember the numlock. It's not this Wi-Fi, sorry. Now connected, click next. It is checking for updates, it may take a while, so I'll be back with you shortly. Now here we need to accept the agreement, you can read it. And name your device, so next. And now your PC will restart a couple of times, so don't mind it and I'll be back again. Now, the next step of the setup. So setup for personal use. It's checking for updates. Now sign in to your Microsoft account, so give me a moment. Create a pin to your laptop and confirm it. Here you can include letters and symbols if you want to. Then OK. Choose the privacy settings for the device. I'll just stick with the defaults, but you can read it and select your own. Then continue. The folders, apps, settings and credentials are restoring from the backup that I did earlier. And how to do a backup, you can find a video on our channel. And it may take a while once again, so I'll be back shortly. Now you can customize your experience. I'll skip this. Here you can connect your phone to a computer by scanning the QR code, but I'll skip it to just send the pictures and files from your phone. Backup your phone's photos on the computer, I skip. Always have access to your recent browsing data, not now. Here you can continue and buy a Microsoft Office, but I'll decline it, decline, Next. Join the PC Game Pass, but I'll skip. And now we're all done. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.